In this video I will show you how to use BRouter for calculating routes. First we select the start point on the map, navigate from. Then this toolbar will open. Next we press the three dots and select routing service. Here we make sure that BRouter offline is selected. Then we can select points we want to navigate to here and press the green arrow. Now a route is calculated. We can press the arrow again and an alternative route will be shown. Now let's say we want to avoid certain areas. We can do this by again pressing the three dots and select Add No-Go Area. This will show a circle, and during route calculation BRouter will try to avoid routes going through this area. So we can move around the circle and place it here. Next we press again the green circle for recalculating the route. And we see the no-go area is respected. We can add a second no-go area and calculate the route again. When you place a no-go area on the start or end point, then the no-go area will be ignored. Now we can save the calculated route as a track. Go to the track manager and load